In manufacturing, risk isn't always visible. It appears as repeat violations, conflicts, and shift gaps. And by the time it's clear, it may be too late. Security leaders must prevent violence, enforce compliance, and protect every facility. But fragmented systems and manual oversight create blind spots. That's where TrackTik changes the equation. Every event is time-stamped, location-based, and auditable. Incidents become connected data, revealing patterns across shifts and facilities. Security, HR, safety, and operations work from the same real-time intelligence. Automated workflows notify the right teams instantly, tracking every action to resolution. The TrackTik plus Scylla integration brings in video feeds to the command center, identifying safety and security risks in real time. Verified alerts flow directly into the TrackTik command center. The result? Faster response, less manual effort, measurable prevention. Leaders justify resources with data, not anecdotes. Together, TrackTik and Scylla create a closed-loop system in the command center, from detection to resolution, turning safety from reactive reporting into proactive prevention. See how TrackTik is making safety automatic. Visit TrackTik.com.